The Women's Leadership Academy is a scholarship program organized by Whole College of Business with the initiative to encourage and implement the career success of Augusta University students. Going into its sixth cohort, Dr. Stacey Roberts holds the influential role of facilitating the program.
We take up to 25 young ladies each cohort, comes with a $1,000 scholarship per year. They learn so much information just to help them out to be successful.
On November 15th, the ladies met for their monthly meeting, this time with guest speaker Liz Kebbla on how to remain stylish in the workplace. In addition to other workshops about various topics such as resume building and etiquette, the ladies are assigned a peer mentor. Paris Eskew is a second-time participant in the program and first-time peer mentor this cohort.
You don't realize how much self-growth there is whenever you are working to empower other women and learning from them, because by wanting to learn from other women and empower them, you are bettering yourself.
For Tasha Barber, joining has been about seizing opportunity and trying something new.
This really pushed me outside my comfort zone in order to especially connect with other females, because it's not always the easiest thing to do, especially in the business world.
The program is open to all majors, allowing for an array of educational backgrounds within the demographic. Dr. Roberts strongly encourages participation in the community.
Please join this academy, not only for the scholarship, not only for the cohort of amazing women, not only for the mentorship, but for you. Because I promise you, every young lady that has went through this academy has changed for the better.